Let me ask you something. What if the breakthrough you've been praying for isn't the next job? It's not the next raise, or it's not even the next opportunity, but it's what's already in your hands. See, in God's kingdom, wealth doesn't start with more, it actually starts with movement. You don't need thousands to begin building wealth, you need faith, wisdom, and action. In Matthew 25, Jesus tells us about the parable of the talents. See, the master gives three servants money. Two of them multiply it, and one hides in fear and is called wicked. God doesn't bless buried potential. What He blesses is movement. He doesn't ask for us to be perfect, He asks for us to be faithful. See, you are a steward, not just of money, but of your skills, your time, tool, relationships. And when you multiply what's in your hands, you are honoring God who gave it all to you. Wealth isn't just about having money. It's about identifying and activating the resources that you already have. Think about it in these 5 categories. Number 1, what are you good at? What do people already ask you for help with? Number 2, where can you reallocate some of your time to build something that lasts? Number 3, resources. Do you own tools, equipment, or access others need? 4, relationship. Who do you know that could open a door for you or share advice? And number 5, what vision has God already put inside your heart? These are seeds. They don't look like much now, but in the kingdom, seeds are where everything starts. Okay, I want to give you 3 steps to multiply what you already have. Step number 1, I want you to identify hidden assets. Make a list of what you already have: skills, knowledge, tools, maybe it's your connections. Ask yourself, what can I use? What do I do that others find value? What have I been underestimating in myself? I want you to write all these down. You will be surprised what God has already placed within your hands. Step number 2, assign a purpose to one of your talents. Don't just admire that a list, move. Take one of those gifts or talents and assign a job. Can your writing become a blog or an ebook? What about if your cooking becomes a meal prep service? Or how about this? Can your organization skills be some type of a paid service? Just choose one and give it a purpose. And finally, step number 3, a small wealth building goal. Start with this: I will use what I have to generate at least $100 in the next 30 days. Not for greed, not for hype, but to learn, to multiply, and to break stagnation. See, the first $100 is going to be the hardest, but it's also going to be the most freeing. God always starts small. See, He used 5 loaves, 2 fishes, a small mustard seed, a shepherd's staff. Stop waiting for the big. Small is sacred when it is surrendered. What you have right now in your hands is more than enough for God to use. Don't bury it, do not belittle it, and don't wait for it to be perfect. I want you to start multiplying what you have today. We have created a free program just for you called Seeds to actually help you get started today. It will help you list your skills, your resources, your gifts, and plan your first income goal. See the link in the description below to gain access. Also, I want you to join me for our next video where we shift into faith-based investing and how to grow your money with biblical purpose. I am so excited to hear from you. Please share in the comments, what is that one talent that you're going to start working on this week? And if this video has been a blessing to you, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. Okay, so You already have a seed. Now it's time to move and multiply that seed. Until next time.